Here we have another great product from Loctite, Loctite 270. This product we are primarily using on the powertrain side of the car. This area of the car is under a lot of stress, causing and creating a lot of vibrations. That's why we require a great product like this.
Loctite 270, another anaerobic flat blocking product that cures on the absence of oxygen in the presence of metallic ions. It is a high-strength thread locking that is used for a lot of screws under high stress and vibrations to prevent loosening. Patrick will show us some screws on the cars that should never come loose during a race.
Yes, Martin, the 270 we use on components where we expect high vibrations and great stress, like the upright, which we can see here. And we use it especially on the big bolts down here to keep the whole upright in the position on the wishbones.